So to summarize this section and what you're going to be learning in the courses, whether you have a B2B, B2C affiliate marketing company, you have an offline company, you have an online company which already exists, you've got a blog, you generate traffic to a website, regardless of what your business is, the model of BATON is applicable. And this will make so much sense as you go through the training. But one of the things I want to leave you with before you commence on this wonderful journey of building an online revenue, whether that's online revenue for your offline business. So just remember, when I refer to some terms, we are going to be covering a lot of terms and we will use some specific examples. For example, we may use a business as an example, or we may say you may want to start an education course, you may want to put your yoga practice online. Whatever the scenarios we talk about, just reconfigure them to your own business, because this is going to be applicable to all forms of business, online or offline. So the thing I want to leave you with is, how will this change your life? Having another £500, another £1,000 coming in a month through your online business, how does that change your life? Because this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is going to require work. This is like any other business. It's going to take time and time and time, but if you follow the steps with discipline and just almost do as you're told for this, at the start, certainly in the initial level 1, 2 and 3 stages, after that you can certainly expand, because now you'll have the tools to implement your amazing creativity. But for the start, I just really recommend following the steps step by step. It's all laid out there for you, and Kyle does a great job about breaking down the technical aspects so it's so easily digestible. So going back to the point, how will that income change your life? Because you can go ahead and earn a 6-figure income from an online business. You hear about the stories all the time, and even within our agency is a 6-figure agency. But how will it change your life? That's the most important element. If another £1,000 came into your world, how many vacations would that allow you to go on a year? How much would you be able to take your full-time hours to part-time and dedicate more time to your online business, to your passion, to your niche? Would it allow you to look after your kids and buy them things that they really, really want at the moment you can't supply for them? Will it allow you to take the whole family on holiday? Will it allow you to spend time with the loved ones you don't currently get to do because you're locked in and tied into a job? All of those things are possible, and they're going to be personal to you. Because what you won't find us doing is saying success equals this, because success is going to be whatever success is for you. Some of our students want £500 extra a month, some want £1,000, some want to completely replace their job. And many of the community members that come and communicate with us afterwards and ask us questions and share about their success and the businesses they're launching, a lot of them have a goal to replace their job's income so they can go live their passion, whether that's traveling the world, spend time with their family, be full-time parents. So I've thrown a lot at you there, but the reason is I want you to think about what this income will do for you, how it will change your life. Even if it's raising money for charity, how will that make you feel inside? So on that note, let's get to work and let's start focusing on this complete digital marketing business training with the underlying element of the BATON model.